separate all the values. X square over x root plus 5x over x root minus 1 over x root bracket dx. Further, x square, you can see that the value of square root is 1 over 2, so minus 1 over 2 x raised power 1 over 2 dx plus 5 out of this sign. Here x raised 1 minus 1 over 2 dx and minus 1 x raised minus 1 over 2 dx. This is the reverse case. First of all, simplify it. 2, this is x raised 3 by 2 dx plus 5 integration sign x raised 1 over 2 dx. I am simplifying it first, and this is x raised minus 1 over 2 dx. So this is the question here. If this is a function x, if the derivative of this function exists, then you just simply plus 1 plus 1 plus c. You can see that x square over 2 plus c. Here same process will be applied over here. X raised 3 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 plus 1 over here plus 5, x raised 1 by 2 plus 1 over 1 by 2 plus 1 minus x raised minus 1 over 2 plus 1, the same will be over here, minus plus 1 plus c after doing the integration. So simplify it. Here you can see that this is 2 plus 3, 5 by 3, 5 by 2. So just one more step, 5 by 2. For those who are not familiar with this, 5 by 2 plus 5 into x raised 3 by 2 minus x raised 1 by 2 plus c. After solving this, now 2 by 5 over here and x raised 5 by 2 plus 2 by 10 by 3 x raised 3 by 2 minus 2 into x raised 1 over 2 plus c. So this is the simplification of this question. Tangent square x, integration sign tangent square x dx. So first of all, we know that tangent square x is equal to secant square x minus 1. So can we write this instead of tangent square, secant square x minus 1 dx. So separate it, secant square x dx minus 1 dx. Now you have to learn this integration of secant square x. So integration of secant square x is, first of all, if you remember that integration of secant square x dx is equal to tangent x is the integration of this plus c. So here I will write tangent x minus integration of 1 is x plus c. So this is the answer of this given question. This is the answer. Very simple solution. If you have any confusion, you can comment under the video, and if you understand the video, please like it. And for 1 over sine square x cos square x dx. So this is the question. So guys, if you remember trigonometric identity, sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So I am replacing 1 with sin square x plus cos square x here, sin square x cos square x dx. Again I am breaking this value in this way, sin square x over sin square x cos square x dx plus sin integration sin cos square x over sin square x cos square x dx. Guys, you can see that this sin square cancel, this cos square cancel, and you only have 1 over cos square dx and plus sin 1 over sin square x dx. So these trigonometric identities, this will be change in secant square x dx plus this is cosecant square x dx. So the integration of this secant square x is tangent x plus the integration of this cosecant square is minus cotangent x plus c. So for more simplification, tangent x plus minus cotangent x plus c. So guys, this is the answer, and still if you have any confusion in this question, you can ask and you can comment under the video. I will try to release your problem, and if you like this video, please subscribe Technical Mathvbn channel for these kind of different stuff. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for watching this video.